Welcome to our analysis. Today, we're diving into a massive paradigm shift regarding hardship, harmony, and divine discipline.
Okay, let's dive into this. The Prophet's companions actually worried if life got too easy. Had God forgotten them?
It's wild, but the pre-Islamic root of the word Islam actually meant willingly paying off a debt in full.
Building on that, the root of deen, or religion, literally means debt. Mind-blowing aha moment, right?
Since every single breath is a debt we can't repay, God simply asks us to acknowledge it for paradise.
So Rabb isn't just a creator. He's an active disciplinarian, raising us up through a process called Tedbiryay.
And this brilliantly illustrates how everyday struggles, wealth, family conflicts, difficult kids, are actually just tools for God's discipline.
Even Abu Bakr was tested by a man he financially supported, who then turned around and slandered his daughter. Take Prophet Yusuf. His extreme hardships, surviving a well and a prison, were the exact stepping stones to ultimate greatness.
Contrast the Western worldview of tragedy and original sin with the Islamic foundation, which is built on pure harmony.
Earthly trials aren't some tragic punishment just for existing. They're actually a carefully curated education for your soul.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Historical idolaters didn't deny a creator. They just denied his active intervention.
Which brings us to a huge, high-energy question. So what exactly is the problem with modern ignorance today?
Modern secularism echoes the ancient Meccans perfectly, believing in God, but demanding he stay completely out of our daily affairs.
Rejecting the Rabb basically means wanting all the perks of creation without any of the Creator's discipline.
The poet Sayrani brilliantly mocked his own exile, pointing out you literally cannot escape the ultimate Rabb's domain.
Now, what's really interesting here is how divine discipline is always permanently coupled with infinite mercy and forgiveness.
The source strikingly suggests even hell acts like an intensive care unit, a final manifestation of God's encompassing mercy.
Ultimately, worldly trials are just incredible opportunities to level up in the school of life, never random, chaotic tragedies.
So if your hardships are actually your medicine, are you finally ready to embrace the discipline? Think about it.